watching my YouTube channel Vikas Kimle Patil. Guys, in previous week on previous Sunday we started one UI development course for free, and I think we did very good in last 1 week. We taken 7 sessions, and as I mentioned you in our group that we should take a QA session on every weekend. Okay, so I am keeping my promise for that. I have started this session. So let's see who joined the class. Is this participant? How many people join? Yeah, look, for guys, first time I am doing live streaming on webcam, so don't know how to handle it, but I am trying. Okay, so two persons are showing who joined. Yeah, and what to do next? Yeah, I have to say something. Hi guys, join fast. How are you? So, hi Rajesh, how are you? So, guys, in last week we have taken 7 sessions on HTML. In that, we have taken the introduction of HTML, introduction of our course, overview of our course, and some tags in HTML. Many tags we have taken, like paragraph tag, heading tag, and image tag, figure tag, figure caption tag. So, and many to come. So, we will do it. And as I said earlier in the class, that I thought this course would be of 45 days, but I don't think it won't be going to complete in 45 days because we have very vast syllabus. The syllabus I have selected is very vast. Okay, am I audible to you guys? Am I audible to everyone? Yeah. So this is how we are going to proceed our course. Every weekend we will do Q&A session. And guys, if you have any question regarding last classes, you can ask me. Just comment it, and you can want to say me something. You can say regarding class. So I think we done good. Next thing, what we have to do, we have to take some more tags, like how to link HTML files, how to add a video file in our web page, and some HTML tags like header, footer, aside. Those we have to take, and after that, if we have to see that different whatever I showed in syllabus. Look, desktop. What is desktop? Yeah, yeah. So look, our course UR development class for free. Course detail. The course duration 45 days. I have showed you. Subjects. Now currently we are in tags. Next we have to see the attributes. After completing the tags, then we have to see the input controls in HTML. After that, we have to see the elements in HTML. There are two types of elements in HTML: inline elements and block level element. After completing these elements, we have to see our first mini project on HTML5. So I can you able to see the screen while switching? Can you able to see me while sharing the screen? Hi Vikram, good evening. Vikram, are you attending the class? Thanks, Vikram. So, guys, when I share the screen right now, that time, are you able to see my face or screen? Yes, Vikram. We will definitely cover different neighbors. Okay, guys. In group, I have given one link for the Google form, the registration form. If some of you not fill that form, please fill that form, because according to that Google form, I can know that what are your requirements, what you want, and what are your expectation, and your details from where you are, your name and everything. So please submit that form. It will be helpful for us in future to provide you better service. Yeah. So next thing, yeah, as you mentioned, take different navbar, Vikram. So definitely we are going to see different navbars in our project, because after doing these things, currently we are in tags in HTML. After that we are going to see the attributes, and then input controls, then elements. After that we are going to see our first mini project on HTML. When we complete our first mini project on HTML, we are going to start CSS3. In that we are going to see the introduction of CSS, syntax, apply different styles, selectors, box model, CSS property, CSS flexbox, position and media queries. And then we are going to see our second mini project on HTML and CSS. Okay, so navbar we are going to take, first we will see in HTML. In HTML how we can get the navbar. Okay, but as we proceed, in Bootstrap we will get so many types of navbar, that also we will see, and simple navbar with HTML, that also we going to see. Okay, so no worries. Any other thing you want to know, and the in the previous classes? Okay, and anything else you want to know? Guys, you can ask if you have any doubt regarding our classes. Rajesh, you asked me about the dice game, na? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, we can do, but we can do that, but we need better response for that. Okay, so I thought when I would take 1,000 plus. Yeah, we can take 1,000 plus views on that video. Then only we can go for that. Okay, if I will get 1,000 views on that calculator video, then I will do that dice game. That random dice, na, like Ludo. We can do that by using JavaScript. We can do that. We can do that, and we will. But yeah, yeah, yes, like Ludo, we can. But first, I need 1,000 views on that calculator video, yeah. Because if you do something, na, you need response. You are doing hard work, yeah. You are doing so much hard work, and you are not receiving the output like that, then it is not good na. So at least 1,000, yeah, I am not asking for millions of views, but at least thousands of views on that video. Then we can do better video than that, like another game, like you are saying dice game, and we can create so many games like the snake game, dice game. We can do that images game, matching image like that. So many games are there we can do with JavaScript. Very interesting games, but I need output. Yeah, from my end I am doing hard work, but from your end I need response. If I get good response, then I will deliver more and more. Am I right? Guys, have you tried that examples at home? Okay, good. uh, Hope you did that IPL points tables example, simple one, but I have given one task to you to add one table extra, sorry, one column extra, like I created na, created IPL points points table. So in that, you people have to add one column, which is run rate. Yeah, please complete that. And as I created that WhatsApp group, I created for your response and your feedbacks. I thought you should do that task daily and post your screenshot in that groups, or any doubt you have you can ask. But some of you are posting some useless messages in that. That's why I have changed the setting of group to admin only. Otherwise, I have given access to everyone. Guys, these simple examples will increase our knowledge, basic knowledge. Okay, and this basic knowledge will useful in our real time knowledge. Okay, while working in real time, these small things will help us, because believe or not, if you don't know these small things, you can stuck anywhere in your program or your work. So you have to know those small things. Next thing, yesterday we did that figure image. Yeah, have you did that? We applied some CSS. We applied some awesome CSS also. CSS makes your web page attractive and very beautiful. So currently we are using CSS. Little bit CSS is also in our projects. to make them more attractive in future. Means we have to learn css also na? In that we will see in detail how we are using these, for what purpose, what effect, what css we have to use and how to use. That we'll see in detail. Currently we are using, but many of you, or many of some of you don't know how to use that. So don't worry, or why we are using like that. So you will know that in detail in our css sessions. Currently only see the videos and try to practice it as it is, and try to get the output. Because if you get output now, you feel very happy and you like to do more tasks. But if you won't get output now, that time you feel bored and you don't want to do the task. So again, try to do. Guys, you seen our, hello Ashok. So guys, have you need anything, anything more in css, sorry, anything more in html apart from I have discussed, or sorry, I have discussed discussed in syllabus. Guys, I have discussed six main topics in html in our syllabus. Hope you like that. And yeah, you read html and css. Good. So Ashok, you have seen our syllabus. The first day I have shown the syllabus in detail. Okay. Whole course detail I have shown in our first session on 25th of October. So we will try to cover our whole syllabus, and in this course we are going to see three mini projects and two big projects. Good Ashok, you did a practice of six sessions, because when you practice now, then only your attending session is worth, because only watching videos won't work, because our subject is practical subject. Yes, so we need to do practical. Some things are there, we while we watch that video now, we think it is very easy, and but while doing now, it seems difficult. So practice makes that easier. Practice makes that easier. And guys, if anyone is not comfortable with English, so I have many playlists in my YouTube channel, where I have created videos in Hindi also. Okay, many most of my videos are in Hindi. Only this course I started in English. So if you want to learn html, css, Bootstrap, jQuery, Angular. In Hindi, I have different playlist for that. I have different playlist for HTML in Hindi. I have playlist HTML in Hindi, Bootstrap in Hindi, CSS in Hindi, and that jQuery in Hindi, Angular in Hindi. So you can access those videos also for better understanding, and you can get different examples also there. So you can do practice on that also. Ashok, are you did practice of last session that figure caption, figure and figure caption? Have you getting same output? Ashok, have you getting same output? Guys, for doing this, if we need images now for that things, so we have to download copyright free images. Okay, so you can download copyright free images from pexels.com. Okay, there are so many images you have to search and download. And after this, tomorrow what we are going to see tomorrow, I think we will see that linking the HTML files. Okay, there are so many tags remaining in HTML, so we have to complete those, because HTML is all about tags. Yes, HTML is all about tags, so we have to take tags which are important and which are useful, which we use often. Okay, so like that header tag is remaining, footer tag is remaining, aside uh, tag is remaining, and section tag is remaining. Then our superscript subscript is remaining, and that linking HTML files are remaining. So so many things are remaining that again what do you say that so many tags are remaining. Yeah, so we will take all the tags, and guys watch videos full. Okay, okay. Due to that less watch time na, I'm not taking long sessions. If you people going to watch full sessions, then I will increase the timing till 1 hour or 45 minutes. Currently I am making sessions of 20 minutes to 30 minutes. Okay, so if you are comfortable with long sessions, I can say I can take long sessions till 1 hour. So if we take long sessions now, we can cover more topic in less time. Am I right? Ashok, we will take another tag in next session. Maybe linking linking HTML files or some other tags also. Okay. So are you Ashok, you knows HTML and CSS already? Guys, I am planning to create one feedback form also. So I will deliver that feedback form in our group, and I would like to take your feedbacks regarding the classes, how you felt the classes, and is anything wrong in the classes, or whatever you want to add, or blah blah blah. Okay, so I will create one feedback form and I will post in our group. And guys, one request from my end is, please attend more and more classes. Okay, means uh, I think we have 80 plus members in our WhatsApp group, so I expect everyone should join the sessions. And for your convenience, I am sending the links in group, so you can watch anytime you are comfortable with. But watch every video, and that every video is connected to previous video now. So you have to, because we are doing a course. Okay. Ashok, our link is in our video description. You have seen last videos now. So in description we have link of our WhatsApp group. You can join our WhatsApp group. Yeah, thank you. So you know JavaScript, Ashok? Because JavaScript also very useful. Yeah, means most important thing is JavaScript, because we can use JavaScript in front end also, back end also, and database also. Okay, so you are learning JavaScript presently. Good, Ashok, good. Because JavaScript is very important. Yeah, we have to know JavaScript. We can use JavaScript in front end as vanilla JavaScript or plain JavaScript. In backend, we can use JavaScript with Node.js. In database, we can use that, what you say, that MongoDB. Okay, and Guys, you are you able to see my face now? Ashok, are you able to see my face while I switch the screen? Guys, are you able to see my face when I switch the screen? Means, look now, I have switched the screen. Answer me, guys. Rajesh, are you there? Okay, guys, I think this is sufficient for today. Yeah, as I promised, we will get one Q&A session on every weekend. So I have keeping my promise. I have taken this Q&A sessions, and if anyone having any doubt regarding our classes, our means any topic, any uh, previous classes, so you can ask me questions in that Q&A session. So every Sunday we will take Q&A session at 4 p.m. Okay. So today is the first session. So many of you don't know about this session. So from next weekend, I think more guys will join the session, and I would love to answer your questions. Currently, I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you, Vikram. Thank you for joining. So I think this is enough for today, and hope you all doing well and you are doing practice daily. So see you in the tomorrow session. Tomorrow session we will take some different tag in HTML with some different example. So see you then. Take care. Bye. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you.